Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to discover some awesome brush fonts in Canva to level up your designs? Click Create, select Custom Size, then enter your desired dimensions, such as 1000 by 1000 pixels. Set the canvas size to 1000 pixels. Next, add a heading by inserting text to display your title in the designated area. Click the Minimize Text button to reduce this text area and resize the window smaller. Select the text, then choose a new font from the Font drop-down menu to change its style. Search for Punch in Canva. Select the design labeled Selima. Next, align the elements as needed to ensure they are properly positioned. Adjust spacing and placement until the layout looks balanced and clean. Let's fix the font by selecting the text and choosing a new font from the menu. Zoom in to the top 3 brush fonts in Canva. First, select Selima. Add a subheading, type Selima, and search for the font to apply it to your text. This is the inner Canva punch tile type called Selima. This tile is the punch tile, Selima. Next, duplicate the text and type Breathing. Change the font style for this text. Then, add a third text layer by typing JLasho in the search bar to apply the JLasho font style. Search for the font JLasho. Notice it looks similar to the font Breathing. The comparison helps you see subtle differences between these two fonts. Use this to choose the right style for your project. Review the right wall fonts one last time. Type right wall and select right one. Notice the similarities among these 3 fonts for the right wall style. These are the top 3 brush fonts in Canva, including the only one with a natural different style. Try to memorize them to use in your typography designs. Let's add an outline effect to this font. This shows how the font changes with the outline applied, creating a different and unique appearance. Try adding an echo effect here. After finishing, click Share to download your design as a video, or print it for best results. These are the top 4 brush fonts in Canva, Breathing, Telethon, and Bright Wall. Use them to enhance your designs professionally and creatively. Now you know the best brush fonts in Canva. Smash that like button and subscribe for more design tips.